In this video, I'll show you how to create a QQ account so you can start using China's popular messaging and social app. Step 1. Download the QQ app. Go to your phone's App Store, Google Play, or Apple App Store, and download the QQ app. Step 2. Open QQ and select Sign Up. Launch the app and tap on the Sign Up or Register button. Step 3. Enter your phone number. Choose your country code and enter your phone number. Then tap Next or Send Code to receive a verification SMS. Step 4. Verify your phone number. Enter the code you received via SMS into the app to verify your number. Step 5. Set up your profile. Create a username and password, then fill in any additional info like your nickname or birthday. Step 6. Complete registration. Follow the prompts to finish your QQ account setup. Important notes. Use a valid phone number you have access to for verification. Keep your password safe to protect your account. You can also sign up using an email address in some regions. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more app tutorials and tech tips.